here we are in the cabin. There's the Deluxe, Mr. Steve, and I'll show you the bathroom facilities first. So this is the bathroom. So say this is a Commodore Deluxe, so this is probably the nicest of the bathrooms. So you get amenities and things. And this, I guess, is the shower. And there's the toilet in the corner, which you don't need to see. And then when you leave the bathroom, you've got this little mirror to get ready in. In here there's a wardrobe number 1, wardrobe number 2 in there. Stephen's going to demonstrate the minibar. So there's a minibar in there. Stephen can move out of the way. No, open the door. I'm trying to demonstrate the minibar. Open the door please to show what's in it.
Oh, it's a fridge.
A fridge, but I want to show people what's in it so they know when they're travelling what to expect. So you get 2 lagers, some water and some soda.
Soda?
Soda, I'm so American. And in this one there's nothing. So you've got a big TV here. We think we've got free Wi-Fi, but we're not certain. This is the bedroom. We have to excuse the darkness. We haven't turned any lights on yet. We've just come in. So there's a nice big bed. Stephen enjoying a libation.
A beverage.
A beverage, and there's a sofa bed. I wonder if that's another bed. Maybe another bed there. There's a little seating area. Put all the lights on so it's not so dark, please, Mr. Stephen.
We'll find the switches first.
Find the switches for our final reveal. And here's the nice view. We've got 2 windows in this cabin. We've only got 1 window, that one's not a window. So there's... Stephen, it's got all dark. So there's no window, and here's the window. This is the public area down here where people can walk through. But we're going to go for an explore of the ship in a little bit. We've just been in the lounge, which we'll show you the clips of next.
How do you get these lights on?
I don't know. Stephen's put the cabin into internal darkness.
There's no switch.
There's a switch there. That light switch will be the light switch. There we go. So there we go. There's our cabin. As I say, this is Commodore Deluxe, which is the nicest one on the ship. It's quite a nice view, isn't it?
It's as good as it gets. I really hate having...
Just don't say that in my video, please. We'll just cut that bit out. So here we go. That's it. Commodore Deluxe on the DFDS. King of Scandinavia, King of Norway.
King of Scandinavia.
There you go. Hope that's helped anybody who's planning on booking a trip to show what you actually get for the money for the upgrade. So hope you enjoyed that. Over now. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Nearly time to get off the ship. Just waiting for all the cars to move forward and for the doors to open. And then we're free to explore Holland. Hello, Mr. Steve. Welcome to Holland.